Today we're gonna see what my dog sees. Hey Meg.
I never really had a broken heart. Always played it kinda close to my chest. Life for me's just been a walk in the park. It doesn't really matter, it never really mattered. I never really had a broken heart, yeah. Such a shock to me, but looks to me like people going through the motion. And when it's over, yeah, the hearts are broken. I finally shot. She really loved him, but I couldn't see it though. He really loved me, but I don't believe it. She really loved him, but I couldn't see it though. He really loved her, but I don't believe it. No, freedom from love, freedom from the heartache. 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 I never really had a broken heart. You don't believe me, just look in my chest. The way some people like to run and hide. I never really